Today I have been given early access to the official release of Digiview. This is an Android app that allows you to view the video out from Cadex Vistas and Air units on the DJI FPV goggles V1 and V2 via a USB Type-C cable to an Android device. And this app will be available on the Play Store within the next couple of days, so keep searching for Digiview on the Play Store. Now, this is a completely free app, so you can donate to the original creators of this app. I'll put a link in the video description. There's no adverts or anything like that, so let's take a look at it. So if I open it up now, it's completely different to the alpha release. They have changed a lot of things. We've got a nice logo here and it says please connect goggles. But before I do that, we can actually go into the settings and we can take a look at what options we have got. So the first option here, it says video preset. This one is default and you should get the best results out of that. Conservative adds latency, and aggressive actually reduces the latency. The problem with reducing the latency is that you can get stutters. So these conservative and default settings, they have a bit of a buffer, whereas the aggressive one has less of a buffer, but you might get stutters. So this one, I guess, is better for live streaming. Then we've got legacy, which is just the original alpha release and legacy buffered, so the alpha release with a little bit of latency added so that you don't get any stuttering. Then if we come down here, we've got enable analytics. This is just if the app crashes, then it will send a message back to the developers. It's quite funny, it says this app will probably crash less than your drone, but if it does, we'd like to know. You can opt out of that if you like. This is a new option, full screen. So if you have full screen enabled, then regardless to whether you're in 16:9 mode or 4:3 mode on your goggles, it will output 16:9 mode. But if you turn that off, then it will output whatever the goggles output in. So in my case, it's 4:3. It comes with a watermark enabled, which you can turn off. I'm going to leave it on because the guys have been so kind letting me have early access to this and show you guys. Then we have got the website and a link to the Discord server. If you have any questions, don't ask me, go into the Discord server. It is very active. As you can see, this has happened very quickly. So make sure that you join that because it's actually a great community of people as well. And then we've got the Digiview web app, so it works in Chrome, and a link to the GitHub. Okay, so my goggles are plugged in with a battery and I've got my Nazgul 5 HD sitting on the side here. Just going to plug the USB Type-C into the side there. It's asking me if I want to always allow access to the DJI FPV goggles. I'm just going to press OK for now, and that's it. You know, there's no delay this time when you start it up, so the video was kind of freezing the last time. Latency for me has always been very good, but it seems to depend on the type of device that you have, and it's just working great. See my elaborate setup here with the lights. Quadcopter taking a video of itself through the phone. So if I just put this back down here a second, so you can see just very slightly a watermark. You can barely see it at all actually, but yeah, if we tap the screen, the settings option comes and goes. You can actually cycle between non-full screen mode and full screen mode by pinching in and out anyways, so I would use that method rather than selecting it in the settings. So there you go, that is the Digiview official released app. Go and check it out on the Play Store when it is listed, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers!